Ready to open the hood? Usetool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app.
Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. In this video, we'll show you how to lift the front and rear of your C4 safely using standard lifting tools. All you need is a jack, a pair of axle stands, and a rubber buffer to protect your vehicle from friction with the jack. Your C4 must be on level, smooth ground. Your car must be on level ground, where the axle stands can't slip, and, above all, where your jack can follow the car's movement while lifting it at the same time. First of all, if the operation involves removing the wheels, start by releasing the wheel nuts before lifting the vehicle. When lifting the front, slide the jack under the vehicle by the side rail and lean against the jacking point, which is a solid base for lifting and then securing your vehicle in complete safety. You can place the axle stand under the front support points as shown in the video. Next, gently lower your vehicle until it is stable on the axle stand. If the support points for the axle stands are damaged, we advise you to use a shim or buffer, as this will prevent bodywork deformation in this area. You can now remove the wheel if you need to. To be on the safe side, slide it under the vehicle for extra protection. If you need to lift both sides of your C4 repeat the steps on the other side. To return the vehicle to the ground, start by putting the wheel back on the hub if necessary, and screw the nuts back on until they make contact. Reposition the jack and lift your C4 until you can remove the axle stand. Then carefully place your vehicle on the ground. Finish tightening the wheel if necessary.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, is also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the part for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
To lift the rear of your C4 you can place the jack under the attachment point of the rear shock absorber spring. You can place the axle stand under the rear support points as shown in the video. Next, gently lower your vehicle until it is stable on the axle stand. To return the rear of your vehicle to the ground, reposition the jack and lift your C4 until you can remove the axle stand. Then carefully place your vehicle on the ground. You can now perform most of the operations on your C4 in complete safety. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.